Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. Today's video is about the Scout and basically getting it to a rolling chassis again. Everything from, I think the last video we left off, we were starting to get some paint on the frame, or maybe we had finished painting the frame. So it includes putting all these parts back on. Now, a lot of this is just reassembly. There's nothing really to teach you. It's more just so you can keep up with the project. What you're gonna see is a lot of time-lapse video of this kind of coming back together. So at the very end, I didn't realize this, but my camera was sitting in the sun the whole time. And at the very end of the video, or the very end of what we're doing today, it overheated and shut down. So you see me hanging the transmission over the frame rail, but not actually sliding it into place. So, but what you get out of it is bolting the axles back under it, leaf springs, setting the engine in there, setting the transmission in, bolting the tires and wheels on first time. There are a few videos coming that involve going through the front axle and the rear axle, just new seals. Well, part of that is I also have to add longer studs because these wheels are just enough, are thicker, so therefore I need more stud length for the lug nuts to catch on to. So we're gonna go through all of that and change out those. All the seals in these axles leaked, so I'm gonna put new pinion seals, new axle seals, all that stuff in. And then we're gonna add new brakes, and that's all in a future video, but I thought you'd enjoy this. It's gonna be fairly short because it's mostly time lapse and some music. So next week I should be back with another video on the Scout body, finishing up floor pans and other structural members underneath the truck. And then I've already got the product in that we're going to be putting on the inside and outside of the truck underneath and on the floor on the inside. So those videos will be coming up shortly. By the time you see this video, it's going to be early to mid-July. And the goal will be that I originally had a goal of having the truck running and back on the road for July 1st, and not going to happen, but we'll make it this summer still. So it's just too many things on the truck that I wasn't happy with the condition of. So kind of back to where we got project creep, you know, just the project just keeps creeping into more and more, but we're getting close. I'm about done ordering parts, mostly because I'm about out of money. But that's how projects go. You know, you work on them when you can and to the level that you're happy with, and then you try and drive them, or you should. So I want to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again next week with, like I said, probably another Scout video. Have a great day.